All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to the first ever devlog for my dream game, Magickness. Now, we've been working on this for about 6 months now. It started off as an experiment, and now we have this. 6 months in, I'm working with Claude AI and ChatGPT. It's been a hell of a ride. And I have this up because we're going to see some naked people, and I'm building the game for adults only, so go ahead and put that out there. Magickness will be 18 plus. MMORPG, I like to describe it as as if RuneScape and Elder Scrolls had a black baby. Yes, we are making my dream MMORPG, and it's going to be magical. So I'm bringing you guys in on the middle of setting up Locomotion. We're setting up Locomotion for this little thing in the way here. How do I move it? Oh, it's stuck. Alright, whatever. We can figure this out. I can touch that one. Oh yeah, okay, I got this. Alright, so we're setting up Locomotion. We started off with a pipeline from Make Human to Blender to Unreal Engine. This is Unreal Engine 5.4. And the bone structure from so we went from Make Human to Blender to Unreal Engine to get it in here. But when we're applying Mixamo animations, there was a bone mismatch. So these two are not really compatible. To make them compatible, you would have to take just the mesh and upload it into Mixamo, and then it will wrap their skeleton with your mesh, thus giving you animated characters. So I'm gonna try to keep these relatively short, and we're just going to do this one thing. So we're working on jump apex. That's a good jumper. So we want to Alright. What we just did was shorten the clip. Alright, to check these, make sure these have our new skeleton. We had to go through a whole process of making a new skeleton, a new skeletal mesh. Make sure these are all good. Save it. Now, deleting the old. And so this, when I'm working with Claude, because I have Claude and ChatGPT, but I use Claude and I build out plans with it. Like I'll use ChatGPT to give me like a general overview and general planning and stuff like that. And then I'll go into Claude and we'll refine it and refine it and refine it. So as you can see, we are in sprint 4 and in a multi-numbered session. Because we went full circle with the animations. So in one of the next devlogs, I'll show you the complete flow, and you can see everything that we have so far, or most of what we have, because been building, bruh. Been building. Let's search it here. Click. And so, well, how much time do we have? About 3 minutes left. So, just you can see kind of where I am. I did this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I'm going to do this one, delete this one. Matter of fact, I'll delete it right now. I'm going to copy this. Go over here. This is from the old one. Drag this over here. I'm going to go in here, paste it, because the logic is still the same. Save it. Yeah, so I just have this one more to do, and then we'll do another devlog. I'm gonna try and put these out once a week. So, because I forgot to mention, I'm also working full time. So the goal is to be an independent developer full time, indie. I've gone from I've been at this for a minute. You know, the past 6 months have been really transformative for me. Made it official with the Dom Tech Gaming LLC. So, okay. Yeah, I also work full time. So I'm doing this. Pretty much have 2 jobs. I work my day job and come home and work on the game. That's how my life has been for the past 6 months. Really longer than that because I've been building other stuff before that. But we're just going to talk about this for now. Take you guys all the way into left field. So, yeah, I got to show you a little bit. This is pretty much the intro, and we'll cover some more next time. Thank you for tuning in, and stay on the lookout for more content because we are only building up from here.